Yeah, this is the tune for my RX 135. Hey, this is your Motoco. Welcome back with another video. So today the video is finally here. A lot of people asking me about the tuning video of RX 135, the mileage setting. So this video is all about it. I'm gonna show you how to tune your carburetor. For that you have to warm your engine up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just riding to a open space area that we can tune it, no sound disturbance. So as a lot of you guys are requested, I'm finally making this video. To be safe, frankly, I'm not in a mood to make a video right now, but still for you guys I'm just going out for a ride and make a video. So I'm gonna quickly pick my friend and then we'll go to that place. So I'm just waiting for my friend to come, and you can see I just washed my motorcycle 2 days back, but still a lot of dust accumulated on my tires. And the things that I have to add more was only the mobile charger. I'll get it as soon as possible, and I have to tighten my chain up. So yeah, I just lubed my chain. I cleaned it and I lubed it, but I don't have a bigger wrench to tight the chain. So after I made this video, I'll go to a garage and fix that stuff. And also another update on Ladakh trip. If anyone went to Ladakh on two-stroke, you can leave the tips in the comment section. So if anyone went to Ladakh on a two-stroke or a four-stroke, whatever it might be, but if you want to give me some suggestions, please comment down below. I'm definitely curious to check them out. If anyone go over there, just comment down below which is the best season to go to Ladakh. And also let me know what are the things we have to carry while we have to go for Ladakh. So that's what I'm worried all about, and I don't know about the mileage that I'll get on the highways. So I have to figure it out. I have to do some runs with different type of carburetor tuning. And first, when I got this motorcycle, I have a plan to add a disc assembly at the front, but now I am not interested to add that. I'm just sticking with stock. Yeah, let's go. So we are going to that place where I always make videos. We'll go over there. It's kind of kilometer from here, and I'll tell a lot more about the tuning, how to do it, what are the things you have to remember when you try to do the tuning and all the stuff. And day by day this place is getting more worst because everyone is just throwing the garbage over this place and ruining this whole place. And yeah, you can see the water is absolutely not in a good stage. Yeah, we'll stop over that blue t-shirt guy, and there are some goats. We'll tune the carb. So just now I came to this open place where we can do whatever we want except for few of the things. So I just quickly open up my toolbox and I'll grab my screwdriver. So sorry. So we started the motorcycle. So first you have to warm up your engine, and then you have to increase the RPM of this motorcycle. Okay, this is the idling screw and that is the air screw. I hope you guys can see that is the air screw and this is the idling screw. So you have to increase the RPM and you have to tight it, that means clockwise. So this is a tester. It's kind of difficult to do with this, but you have a screwdriver, it's much more easier to do the job. So this is full tight. So now what you have to do is you have to turn it in the anti-clockwise. If you find the RPM is higher, just lock that position. So the RPM is increasing. So this is the highest RPM that we are getting in this kind of setup. So now we're gonna decrease the idling. We don't have a tachometer, so just adjust for the idling. If you have a tachometer, then you have to keep it in 1.5k RPM. So this is the idling. Yeah, this is the tune for my RX 135. You can see the bike is in the idling stage. You can see the exhaust note. It is being in the idling as well. Just check it with the throttle. Is it whether free or not? Yeah, it's good. So this is the tuning for my motorcycle. I'm gonna quickly turn off my motorcycle and I just want to give you some notes. So this is the tuning that I have done to my motorcycle. I'm getting around 45 kilometers per liter right now. I haven't tested it accurately, but I'm gonna test it as soon as possible, and I'll drop a video very soon. And a lot of people are asking me, please make a video on mileage and all this stuff. So the reason I'm making this video is just to show you the tuning. So we done the tuning, right? So this tuning might not work on your motorcycle. I'll tell you why. So this is 135. If you have a 135 too, this tuning might not work. So the reason is, so tuning depends on the piston size, the silencer that you are using. Currently I'm using the CAT silencer, catalytic converter. So with this silencer I have a different type of tuning. With the stock silencer I have a different type of tuning, and with the chamber exhaust I have a different type of tuning. So jets in the carburetor, if you have a different sizes of your jets, then tuning might vary. So what I just want to say was, don't turn it like how I did on my motorcycle. Don't accurately see the screw, how much turns that I did. Don't copy the exact tuning. This might not work for your motorcycle. So just do what I did. First of all, just warm up your motorcycle, then increase the RPM, and then tight your air screw into clockwise, and then do it anti-clockwise. So the point where you find the higher RPM, just lock it, just leave it there, and just decrease the idling, the idling screw. So the point where the highest RPM that you will get, that is the point where you get the most mileage out of your motorcycle. So this is all about the mileage setting of my 135. So just remember this: no two turns, no one turn or anything like that. Tune it according to your motorcycle. And also I just want to conclude another point where if you're using premix, that means if you're adding 2T oil directly into your petrol tank, then there might be a different tune. But if you're using a 2T oil pump, that is going to be another type of tuning. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video, and as soon as possible I'll drop that mileage video as well. So yeah, see you guys in another video. Until then, peace. Hey, go